WGAN Forum Podcast number 123. Wednesday, August 10, 2022.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport announces second quarter 2022 financial results, with stronger-than-expected subscription revenue and non-GAAP EPS. 1. Subscription revenue rose 20% year-over-year, above company guidance. 2. Services revenue increased 74% year-over-year. 3. Q2 GAAP loss per share of 23 cents. 4. Non-GAAP loss per share of 12 cents, better than company guidance. 5. Matterport increases full-year revenue guidance range to $132 million to $138 million, narrows full-year guidance range for non-GAAP loss per share to 46 cents to 50 cents. 6. Balance sheet remains strong with $562 million cash and investments and no debt. Sunnyvale, California, Wednesday, August 10, 2022, Globe NEWSWIRE, Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, Matterport or the company, the leading spatial data company driving the digital transformation of the built world, today announced financial results for the quarter ended June 30, 2022. We delivered another strong quarter, increasing our subscriber count by 52% to 616,000 subscribers. We expanded spaces under management by 44% to over 8 million spaces, said R.J. Pittman, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Matterport. We continue to see strength in our enterprise subscriber base and believe that customers who adopt digital twins will realize increased revenues and lower their operating costs, gaining a powerful advantage in any economic environment. Our laser focus on delivering measurable customer value for large enterprises and small businesses alike is fueling our growth and scaling our platform. Our recent acquisition of VHT Studios extends our offering to satisfy the growing demand for digital twins and integrated marketing solutions for the residential, commercial, and hospitality real estate industries, Pittman added. We are pleased to report subscription revenue of $18.4 million for the quarter, above the high end of our guidance range. We continued to improve operating efficiencies and reported non-GAAP loss per share of 12 cents for the quarter, also better than our guidance range, said J.D. Fay, Chief Financial Officer of Matterport. Quarterly subscription revenue increased by 20% year-over-year and continues to grow as a proportion of total revenue, comprising 65% of total revenue, up from 60% in the first quarter of 2022. These are strong results that demonstrate our ability to drive the business forward and lead through the macro environment effectively. With $562 million of cash and short and long-term investments, we believe we have the financial strength to comfortably achieve our long-term business plan. Second quarter 2022 financial highlights. 1. Spaces under management, SUM, grew to 8.0 million, up 10% compared to the first quarter of 2022. 2. Total subscribers increased to 616,000, up 10% sequentially. 3. Subscription revenue was $18.4 million, up 7% sequentially. 4. Total revenue was $28.5 million, flat sequentially. 5. Annualized recurring revenue, ARR, exiting the second quarter was $73.6 million. 6. Exited Q2 with record product backlog. Recent business highlights. 1. Acquired VHT Studios to accelerate adoption of digital twins for real estate. The combination of VHT Studios' visual media technology and services with the immersive Matterport 3D digital twin platform is expected to elevate the buying and leasing experience while simplifying the process of creating comprehensive marketing packages for enterprise brokerages and agents. 2. Partnered with CGS, a global provider of applications, enterprise learning, and outsourcing services, to deliver virtual training solutions for frontline workers across the Fortune 500. 3. Completed SOC 2 Type 2 standards for confidentiality, a key requirement for many Fortune 500 customers and other enterprise organizations evaluating the deployment of digital twins. Donated digital twin technology to SBP, formerly known as the St. Bernard Project, to help disaster-affected communities accelerate the FEMA appeals process. 4. Appointed Susan Repo to the Board of Directors and to serve as Chair of the Audit Committee. Ms. Repo is the Chief Financial Officer of ICEYE and also serves on the Board of Directors of Mitek Systems, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, and GM Financial Bank. Conference call information. Matterport will host a conference call for analysts and investors to discuss its financial results for the second quarter of fiscal 2022 today at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. A recorded webcast of the event will also be available following the call for 1 year on the Matterport's investor relations website at investors.matterport.com. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at www.matterport.com. Copyright 2022 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners.